So accept payment methods with Klarna, okay? Now remember, it's only available in those countries. Now how you can add this or accept this payment method on your website. So let's first click on websites. From here, please click on edit website. Now from here, what we're gonna have to do is very easy. Now wait a couple of seconds. Now here we're gonna have to click on online store, right? And from here, please select manage store. Now here, let's wait a couple of seconds and select payments. Now we're gonna have to set up our Stripe account. Make sure if you don't have a Stripe account, create one. And then once you created one, just connect your Hostinger to Stripe. See here, connect Stripe account, accept pay online payment. Then once you're doing that, you're gonna have to go to settings here, settings, and then here you click on payments, please. Here on payments, select payment methods, and then here you'll be able to actually find this. But I can't find it because it's not available in my country. Just here, as you can see, is only you should have seen this here and pay now, pay later, something like that, but it's not showing this for me, as I said, because it's not available in my country. Is not available. So available also for client supported currency. So yeah, I hope you found